You were in Paris all the time with Karl Lagerfeld
Yes.
back in the day,
Yes.
and so you know. So you wanted to have the best of the best with your brand new skincare line. Shinto Clinical is here today for the first time, exclusively here at the Shopping Channel in Canada. Now, there's even more at our website, theshoppingchannel.com. So I just wanted to mention to you, if you've just tuned in, please feel free to pop in all day long and join us live, but also go to the web. This is 434-838 at $68. It's the All Evens Out treatment. We have 2 pays of $34. So we've been talking about the joys of aging, my friend.
Yes, we really are.
It's not just about the
joys of
fine
aging.
lines and wrinkles.
No.
Texture and tone
Yes.
are big giveaways too, aren't they?
And color.
Yes.
Believe it or not.
Yeah, that tone, if it's patchy, it could be hormones, it could be stress.
Well, as we age, our skin sort of loses a little bit of that vibrancy that
glow.
that we had when we were younger. So the pinks and the blushes that are in your tone, in your skin, sort of disappear, and it becomes more sallow over time, or gray, or ashy, if you would notice. And so we're always trying to combat this. This is a skin brightener. Not a lightener, a brightener. There are no ingredients in here that are lightening, but it will brighten.
That hydroquinone, it's a baddie.
It's free.
Yeah.
It's free. But this is about giving you a skin tone that is brighter, that is sharper, that removes the ashen and brings out that youthful, vitality.
Exactly. So we need
So this is going to even
that.
out your age spots, your freckles, sunspots, freckles from the sun, sunspots. This is about tone.
melasma, all of those
Absolutely.
things. Did you know that in about a short amount of time of 8 weeks, almost a 50% improvement in that brightening of your tone?
Yes, and it has the
45%,
arbutin in it,
which is huge.
which is huge.
Yes, that's a
And that's what they
wonderful
look for
ingredient.
overseas. They don't want the hydroquinone. They don't want anything that's damaging. They don't want to do long-term damage to their skin while they're making it beautiful. So now when they're reading it, they're looking for that arbutin. And they
Excellent.
take it like it's a miracle ingredient.
So a reduction in age spots,
Yes.
up to 75% after 8 weeks, 64% after just 4 weeks. And then what about saying goodbye to 50% of those age spots in the appearance after 8 weeks? That is huge.
And it's paraben-free,
Love it,
hydroquinone-free,
non-irritating.
non-irritating, absolutely.
A lot of the time with some of these procedures, even if you go for a peel or things like that, there's downtime, there's
Yes.
redness and
Oh,
dryness.
yeah. Talk about down. We don't want to do downtime because we have to go to
No
work.
time.
We have to go to things.
We do.
And we can't look
Got to
like
be
that.
fabulous.
At
Whatever
all
it is,
times.
exactly.
Even when we feel a little less than fabulous, and that's what this is about.
Fake it
When
till you
I
make
don't-
it.
Fake it till you make it. When I don't feel so great, my skincare regimen makes me feel better. Putting on my makeup makes me feel better. Getting up and getting dressed makes me kind of feel like I can conquer the day. It's all about your self-confidence.
Exactly. Imagine not having to put so much makeup on because now you're
Yes.
not dealing with, this patchiness and uneven. It can happen for many, many reasons. I know in particular, speaking of the Asian market, they
Yes.
are absolutely going to adore this, aren't
Yes,
they?
and they don't like hydroquinone, and because they're fairer skinned, they're very funny about the sun and sunspots and freckles, even on the hands, the arms, all the way up the neck. We put that arbutin in there. They love it.
Yeah. And
Anybody that has those, the freckles, the sunspots, even wrinkles, anything with your pigment or your tone to even it out, kind of freshen it up, brighten it up, that's this.
This is it. All evens out. The treatment right here. It's a nice generous size, $68. A little goes a long way. You're going to use this every day?
Every day.
Okay. So
This is your serum, so it's after you wash, tone, moisturize,
and then
can
put
use
that
this.
on, put that on.
and your wrinkle shrink.
Perfect. So 2 pays of $34 there. Again, if you want to see a reduction in age spots up to 75% after 8 weeks, that is huge. What about your brightening and your lightening of your complexion, evening it out? That is, I think, a very big deal for so many of us, especially this time of year. We're almost halfway through the month of April.
Yes.
You don't have quite the same weather as we do in the Great White North, as we call Canada.
Well, I'm from the Midwest, so I'm
okay.
used to the harsh
But you're down in California these days,
now,
aren't you?
but still I go home.
So you know what
St.
the
Louis,
elements
Missouri,
can
yeah.
kind of be a little
They're
bit.
very, very harsh.
Yeah.
And it's important to say that I use this, you can use this. This is not about the color of your skin. This is about brightening at
Right.
any stage.
I think if you're honest with yourself, you will see this is a bit different than over here. And if you've had
Yes.
children or you're aging, your hormones, these things can all affect you no matter where.
Under the eyes,
you know,
gets
what
a
your
little
complexion.
gray, it gets a little thin
Is,
in
yeah.
here, absolutely. So
All right.
this is for any skin complexion, any tone. to help even it out and brighten it up.
Now, 434-838 is your item number. I know that we have absolutely had some incredible coverage in the press as far as Kimura's Shinto Clinical line. So just wanted to show you over here, we've got some of the great different publications covering Shinto Clinical and Kimura. People Magazine, Beauty Inc. We just saw Jet Magazine. This is a great article of you when you're in the KL, in Kuala Lumpur, in Malaysia. There's Uptown. We've got Mary Claire there with Eva Mendes on the cover. We've got OK with the great coverage on some of the Shinto Clinical products there. So there's a buzz. A lot of people, even with the sea of choices that are out there. I know this was your mandate too. There's still something more we can be doing for our skin. It's a luxury brand, isn't it?
It is. It's a luxury brand. It's affordable. But it's a luxury brand, and it's giving you all of those benefits of those higher-end products. I would know. I have used it. A lot of them are a waste of our money and our time.
Exactly. So you know what? With that knowledge and that experience and that access to so much, that is really sort of how Shinto Clinical has been born with Kimura and her very powerful team. You know, we were talking about your dermatologist friend there,
labs,
Dr. Eric.
The scientists, absolutely.
Exactly.
The chemists.
All of it. Now, all evens out. As you were saying, you know, part of the aging issue, not just about fine lines and wrinkles, or even the deeper lines and wrinkles, it is also about losing that luminosity.
Yes, absolutely.
Which, you know, you look at your kids.
When I look at my kids, you remember kind of how we were. We want to get back to that. And that's about the collagen. That's about the color. That's about the tone. It's about plumping it up and preserving it, not letting it deplete itself.
No, absolutely.
You know, we don't want to get to the raisin. We want to stay plump like the grape.
Well, and I think with the technology that we have, our skincare is not our mother's skincare. Thank you. It is not our grandmother's skincare, but the regimen and also the respect that you pay to yourself. I think that's very important. It's important to take just a few minutes, morning and night. That's one of your beauty secrets, too, isn't it?
I love to take a few minutes. I don't want it to take a long time, and I want that benefit, the extended benefit. So here, even if you're, you know, if I had to tell you what to take now, I would say you wash, you tone, you moisturize. Wash, tone, moisturize. It's easy. But not only are you wash, toning, and moisturizing, those effects, those benefits are long-lasting. So as you go throughout your day, tomorrow, tonight, when you go to sleep, when you wake up, it's still working. You use it again. These benefits are staying with you. They will not disappear. So when those wrinkles are gone, they're gone. When that skin tone is even, it's even. That will not change.
Again, when it comes to aging, it's not just about those lines and wrinkles. There's so many other parts of the equation, and with having that beautiful, brighter, more even out complexion, it doesn't matter if you are more fair-skinned, Caucasian, or you have maybe more of a Southeast Asian complexion, you've got more of an olive complexion. This is for all of us, and this, quite frankly, affects all of us, whether you realize it or not. You know, all of a sudden you say, where did that come from?
Any color, wherever you live, absolutely. It affects all of us.
And this is 100% non-irritating formula. Hydroquinone was an ingredient that was used in the past for brightening type of products. I just wanted to make this clear. No hydroquinone whatsoever. It is absolutely a no-go. And I know no
it has
parabens.
Your alpha-arbutin. No, it's all natural. Natural. It's a natural replacement for the hydroquinone. Which is it's a safer alternative.
Yeah,
and more effective.
Now, just again to give you some numbers, I'm going to crunch some numbers here.
Okay.
All right. So, within 8 weeks, how about reducing the appearance of age spots by 75%? What about in just 4 weeks? You've got 4 weeks to go, and you've got that high school reunion coming up, as do I. Have a high school reunion
already.
64%. Oh, bless you. 64% after 4 weeks to really help reduce the age spots, and the average reduction of age spots anywhere from 50% after 8 weeks. So you are going to experience a visual lightening and brightening of the skin tone up to 54% after 8 weeks, and after 4 weeks 50%. So how impressive this is. Again, no hydroquinone, no parabens, 100% non-irritating formula. After you cleanse and tone, then you're going to put this, a nice sort of thin veil, I would say, over the face and continue with your regimen.
So, morning and night?
Yeah, exactly.
And it kind of protects you against any future damage, the free radicals, the pollution, the stress. Like you said, this is ongoing. That's what makes this a treatment product, not a cosmetic.
Right.
So whatever you are getting here, it's going to do double and triple time. It's going to continue working long after you have actually stopped applying the product. Not like my makeup. When I wash off my makeup, it's gone. The lips aren't red anymore. The lips aren't pink anymore. Here, the benefits will stay and continue to multiply as you use it.
Absolutely.